Hello, my name is Patrick O'Brien. Um, this is my white paper topic. I want to discuss to the NFL about their attendance and ratings drops. And I have a solution to fix everything that they're going through. And yeah, here we go. The problem: almost every single team in the NFL has seen an attendance drop of fans at games in the past 10 years. And teams are aware of this and they're doing everything they possibly can to stop this, but it's still a very big problem in the league and it still needs something needs to change. Another problem is the broadcast of games, and fans even have a better viewing of the event in the comfort of their own home. They can have a large group of people come enjoy the game with them, and they also just can be comfortable and not have to worry about crazy fans yelling and all this type of stuff. And they're not spending a lot of money to go to the event. They can technically just watch the game on TV through their cable provider. I think the true problem in the NFL, with the NFL actually, is the governing body of the league and the commissioner in particular. Um, Over the past years, a lot of rules have been implemented, and fans aren't happy about it, players aren't happy about it, and they have no say. They have no way of changing it, and they just have to play along with it. And it's honestly not fair, but the league kind of runs like a dictatorship, and that needs to change ultimately. Football is a contact sport, and people love to watch that. That's the whole point. People love to watch contact and how aggressive football is. And too many changes that have led to people being less, I wouldn't say, yeah, I mean, softer and make the game softer, make it less enjoyable to watch. But yeah, a lot of those rules have made things different in the league, and a lot of people don't agree with it, and a lot of fans are not happy about it either. Also, for ratings purposes, some of the best marketable players are either hurt or playing for a non-competitive team. And a lot of times, a non-competitive team is not going to get normal cable TV time. So the best players in the league are not on TV, and the NFL can't market them to those people, to the fans that need to watch them. So the ratings have subsequently dropped because of that. Um, Suspensions are also a huge problem. A lot of teams face suspensions because of these new rules that are intact, and fans are dissatisfied with that and seeing that a lot of times a lot of really good players on their team are out for the next game, and it's not helpful for the team, and fans always want to see their team do well on the field. Fixing the problem. The way to fix this problem is to get rid of the dictatorship ruling of the league, the commissioner and his associates. If the league was to have all teams vote on certain rules that were going to be instituted to the game, it would be more enjoyable to watch. More night games are also key for attendance to rise again, because many fans work during the day and are more available towards the night. So the more chances fans are able to go to games and watch it, the more the attendance is going to rise. Also, like I said earlier, the rules have made the game soft, and it's become less enjoyable to watch for fans. And I think fans want to see the game played like it was back in the day, and I think they want players to be physical, like that's how football is supposed to be played. I believe a white paper completely detailing every way to solve the problems that the NFL is facing is exactly what is needed. I have a plan to get the NFL ratings and attendance back to where it was. I've spent my entire life playing football and being a fan of the NFL. And with my perspective and knowledge of the game, I know deep down that I'm the perfect person to write this white paper for the NFL and fix these problems. I know what the players want because I am one, and I understand what the fans want to see because I have been one. I give this white paper a different perspective and how to fix these problems, and I'm the perfect one to help this company get back to the top. Thank you, and I'll talk to you later.